Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about box and whisker plot, shortly box plot. Just to give you an idea of what it is, box and whisker plot, also known as box and whisker diagram or shortly box plot, is a graphical way of representing statistical measures like median, upper and lower quartiles, minimum and maximum data values. This diagram is made up of a box and two whiskers. The box is concentrated 50% of the data, and the whisker are there to complete the entire range of data. So the first thing we want to do here is to order these numbers here, this data, because we're going to have to find a lot of medians. We're going to order it and then start to find medians. So it seems like the lowest number here is 12. Okay, got a 12, right? Sorry, got a 12. Then the next one will be 13. I got a 13. Then I got another. Then I got a 14 over here. 13. Then I got a 14. Just once. 14. Oh, sorry, not that good. Then I got a 14. What's one here? Okay, then I got a 14. And the next number, I've got a 15 once and a 15 twice. 15 and 15. Then the next number would be 16 once, 16 twice, 16 three times. So the 3 16. 1, 2, and 3. Then I got a 17, 1 and 2, and that's it. So I've got 2 17. Then I've got 18, no, I ain't got no 18. 20, no 20, but 21 twice. 1, 2, 2, 21. What about 22? 22, 1, 22, 2, 2 times 22. And 23, just once. 23 once. And the last number will be 24. All right. Now we want to find the median. And as you may know or not, the median is the middle of the set of numbers. How many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers. And we know, as we know, we have 16 numbers right here. And there are two ways to think about it. Either you count the number, what is not very easy if you got your large which got large numbers, or you just add 1 to 16 and divide it by 2, and it's going to give you 8.5. Okay, 8.5. It means that you're going to count 8.5 this side here. If you got here, you're going to find the middle number, or like here, you find the median number between the both. It is like a 16.5. If you have 8.5, it's going to be here 16.5. This is the number between these two numbers right here. So let's just count, from both sides, either the left or the right side of these numbers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. It means 16.5 here, right here. Okay, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. Well, our median is therefore 16.5. It is right here, 16.5. This is one way to do that, or you can even do it like this. You can even count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You ain't got no median here. So you're going to think 16 plus 17 divided by 2. And you got your median numbers. That's going to give us 16.5. That's another way to do that. But if you have a very large number, that won't be easy to count this way. It's better to add 1 in it and divide by 2, and you got the number by counting from left, either from the left and the right side of your numbers. So 16.5 is the median. Now, the next thing we want to do is to find the median of median. I mean, just imagine you pick 16.5 out of this set of number here, then you got the half of it above 16.5 and the half of it below 16.5. So we're going to find the median of these two sides. So we're going to find here the median of median, I mean the median of middle. And if we count here and above, I mean the number above 16.5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So we have here 8 plus 1 divided by 2, and this is 9 divided by 2, it is 4.5. And on this side, 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is here in between. That number, the middle will be 21.5. Okay, right here. The median is here. And we do the same thing with the numbers below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is also 4.5. It means that our median or middle of middle will be here, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, what we're going to do is that we can take this number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, and it is 4.5. It means that the number we're going to have is in between here. So what is the number between 15 and 15? It is also 15.0. Okay, because if you add 0 to 15 here, you're going to get to this number. So our median here, which is this number right here, is also 15. And this is the middle of that of this number here. Otherwise, you can think like this. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you say, okay, one. I'm going to count on both sides, you know, like the same numbers, 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. Then I still have 15 in the middle, so I don't have any middle right here. Do you think 15 plus 15 divided by 2? And it is here 30 divided by 2 gives you 15, and this is this number right here. Okay, so like I said, either you do this way or you can just because half of way between 15 and 15 is 15. That's what I told you. Now, as you can notice, now what we've got so far is that this here is called the first quartile. This is the first quartile. Okay, it means that from here to here, 25% of data are in this section, this portion right here. It is a 1/4 of the whole value, and this other one is also 25% from here. I mean, in the middle onto the median. It's also 25%. So we have in the first quartile, and the median is the second quartile. The median is the second quartile. And this median, the median of median or middle of median, is the third quartile. This is the third quartile. Okay, right, and it is from here, this 16.5 until, sorry, from here 16.5 until 21.5. And this is also representing 15 to 25%. The first quartile, the second quartile, the third quartile, means that 3/4 of the whole data, and this last one will be also 25%. So we've got so far the first quartile, the second quartile, and the third quartile. This is almost 75% because I'm representing 25, 25, and 25%. So the number 21.5 will be here the 75th percentile of all the value percentile. So now that we've got all our values, we can sketch the diagram. You guys see the first quartile is 15, the second quartile is 16.5, and the third quartile is 21.5. So now we can sketch or plot our diagram or our box plot. So let's say we're having 0 here, 0, 5, 10, 5 here, 10, 15, 20, and 25 right here. All right, so we have in here our first quartile is 15, right? It means right here it is 15, so we can draw it like this. We have 15 right here. It's got to be here 15. Okay, or I can draw it with the green, it doesn't matter. And our median is 16.5, 16.5, somewhere like here. Here 16.5, and I'm having my third quarter is 21.5, something like here. Not really, yeah, 21.5 back here. Okay, then I can draw my box like this and like that. And this is here the first quartile right here. This is 15, that's what we said. And the median is right here. It is 16.5, and the third quarter here, and it's 21.5. And then we still have the entire range of data. We've now drawn the box. What about the whiskers? Let us draw the whiskers now. We are having until 24. 24 is right here, so the whiskers are going to go this way, like we're having from here until 24. There are only vertical lines, representing the entire range of data. So from here to there, this is here 24. And what about here? It is 12. So right here. Okay, and I plot it in it. Okay, and those are whisker, and the box is in the middle. So this box in the middle here represents 50% of all the data. And we can even put the median here in a different color to make it a little bit different from others. This is the median, that's what we had before. We have in here 25%, and this is here 25%, 25. So that's what I said, that we have in here in the whole box 50% of all the data are represented here, and we have here 25% and 25% here. So guys, this is how you can draw a box and whisker diagram. And hopefully I gave you a good overview of this topic. Until next time, bye bye.